How to fix correct password but cannot log in Instagram account. If you're having trouble logging into Instagram, even though you're sure you're entering the correct password, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix this Instagram login issue step by step. So let's dive right in. Now, first let's take a look at the login screen. You're probably entering your username and password correctly, but still unable to log in. Don't worry, there are several things you want to try to fix this. Before we move forward, let's make sure your username and password are correct. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally type the wrong character. Double check both to make sure they're right. Now let's make sure your device is connected to the internet. Instagram requires a stable connection to log in. So make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Now if the issue persists, you can simply delete the Instagram app and install it again, so to simply clear cache and data. But for Android, you can simply go to settings, apps, and on Instagram simply tap on storage and simply click on clear cache and clear data. This will reset the app and might fix the login issue. Now sometimes the issue might be with an outdated app, so let's check if there's an update available for Instagram. Open App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device and search for Instagram. And if you see an update button, simply tap it to update the app. After updating, simply try logging in again. Now if you're still having trouble, try logging in through your browser. And that's it. That's how you can simply log into your Instagram account.